This is Nipper, a 9-foot dog here at Global Academy. But why is there a 9-foot dog in the car park? Well, the story goes back over 100 years and involves a record player and the real-life Nipper. Born in 1884, Nipper, so named because he used to nip at people's ankles, lived a happy life before dying of natural causes in 1895. It was 3 years after Nipper's death that Francis Perrault, his last owner and brother of his first owner, painted a picture of Nipper listening to a wind-up Edison Bell cylinder phonograph, an early record player if you like. He sold the picture to the company that eventually became Electric and Musical Industries Limited, or as we know it, EMI. So, our 9-foot dog is a tribute to the original Nipper and the vinyl factory which used to occupy this very space. Nipper, a music industry icon and still recognised all over the world today.